Okay, I'm filming at night. This is a first. I gotta get everything set up. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to just do a quick little monthly favorites. So I'm gonna be sharing with you my October favorites. And yes, I am wearing the same outfit as I am in my smoky eye tutorial because I filmed it earlier this morning. This one might actually go up first because I want to get it up while it's still not too late for October favorites. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to film some monthly favorites. If you want to see what I've been loving for this past month, then you can just keep on watching. Okay, so we'll start off with beauty. I don't have a ton of favorites this month, but I have enough to justify a video. So I have some beauty favorites, some random favorites, skincare, that type of stuff. So we'll start with beauty, as I usually like to start with. The first thing that I've been loving, I've been using it in most of my videos for this past month, is the Soft Glam palette that from Anastasia? I can't talk. It's 7, so it's almost my bedtime. Okay, but yeah, I've been using it in all my videos, and it's just such a beautiful palette. Super versatile. You can really create a lot of different looks with it, and it's just, yeah, it's a really good go-to palette. Next beauty favorite I've been using for the past couple weeks is the Morphe Blush Trio in Pop of Coral. I've really been loving to mix the two middle shades right here. I did use this one and this one in my video that I did today for this look. So that's what I have on my cheeks right now, but they're really good. The formulation is just really nice and easy to work with. They last a really long time. I haven't touched up my face makeup at all today, and I've had it on since, I don't know, 9, I'd say, and it's what, 7? It's almost 7 now. And I feel like blush usually fades pretty quickly. It's usually the first thing to go, but I feel like it still looks like I have it on and stuff, so I think it's really nice and inexpensive. They just started carrying more Morphe stuff at my Ulta, so I'm really excited. It's dangerous, but I'm not mad about it. The next beauty favorite that I've had for quite a while, quite a few months, but I just started using more recently this past month, is the Sigma Longwear Eyeliner Pencil. I messed up the lid. I put it on here, and now the top is stuck, so I can't close it. So I don't know what to do about that, but yeah, I've been really loving it. I used it in my waterline today. It lasts really nicely. It doesn't transfer down here or anything. But yeah, it's really nice for your waterline. You could tightline with it, or just a quick way to do some liner on your lash line. Okay, the next favorite, I've been using this. This is another one that I I just kind of rediscovered it, I guess. I've had it for a while, but I've been using it a lot this past month for pretty much any lip color that I've done, and I know it's a really popular one. It's the MAC Lip Liner in Hover. It's just such a good color. I'm wearing it again today. It goes with nudes. You can do it with darker colors, mauves, anything like that. It's just a really pretty color. Yeah, super easy to work with, and yeah, super versatile. I love it, so yeah. And lastly, this I guess will kind of fall under the beauty category, but it's the Morphe Beauty Blender. It's kind of dirty. I haven't washed it yet since I did my makeup this morning, but yeah, it's really nice. I really love it though because of this flat edge, because I always like to kind of bake my contour, so you can get a really sharp line with this, so I've really been loving it. Okay, so that was all for my beauty favorites, so we'll move on to skincare, and then I have a couple random favorites. First thing, so I've mentioned this exfoliator in other videos, but not this scent. This is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I was always using the pomegranate scent, which is really nice, but this was the only scent that they had when I went to pick it up. And I was sad to begin with, but then ended up not being too mad about it because I used this the other day or I've been using it for a couple weeks this month, and it smells so good, like especially for fall. Like it's perfect for fall because it literally, like I want a candle in this. It's, what is the scent anyway? I think it's like hazelnut or, oh, let's see, crushed macadamia and rice milk. I don't even know if that's the scent, but anyway, it's the blue one, and I'm trying to think how it smells like. It kind of smells like vanilla-y, maybe like not pumpkin-y, but like it kind of just smells like vanilla, like a vanilla bean candle or something. I don't know, but it also has kind of like that lotiony scent to it. I don't know. You guys should try it. It's a really good exfoliator too. Like I've been using the other scent since probably the beginning of summer or earlier, so I've been using it for quite a few months. It's really nice because I have like self-tan too, so it's really nice to use before I'm going to self-tan and stuff and just get any old self-tanner off, and just makes your body feel really smooth and you smell amazing. So, and they're really inexpensive. So another exfoliating product is for the face that I've been using. I've been trying to exfoliate more because I know it's super good for your skin, and I don't know. I've just never I've been kind of lazy about it, I guess, and not wanting to spend like a ton of money on one. So I asked my friend who's an esthetician if she had any recommendations, and she actually, I can't talk. She actually recommended the St. Ives brand. This is the Blackhead Clearing Green Tea Scrub, and I really like it. It's super gentle. It has like a nice mild smell to it. But yeah, I use it 2 to 3 times a week. And it's just really nice. It doesn't break me out or anything. It just kind of helps make your skin nice and smooth and not irritating at all. So yeah, I've really been loving it. Okay, another skincare item is I've had this product for like quite a while, but I want to say end of September, beginning of October, my lips got super dry right when it started getting a little more cold and stuff. And for some reason, I've never been great about exfoliating my lips, but I have had this for a while, and so I used it for like a couple days in a row, and I swear within like probably 3 or 4 days, my lips got so much better. Like they didn't feel dry at all. And this is like a really good one. Everybody knows about this one. It's the Lush lip scrub. This one is in Mint Julip. It's so good. It looks like I've used a lot, but a while ago, like I dropped it and like a bunch fell out, so I actually hadn't used that much. But it smells really nice, it feels really nice, and I love this one because after you scrub it, you can just kind of like lick off the excess, and it tastes delicious. It's like safe to do that. But yeah, and these are really inexpensive too. I think this is maybe like $6. But yeah, they're really good. Now on to random favorites. I have to check my list because I actually made a list this time. Okay, so I wanted to talk about my favorite show that I've been loving. I've never mentioned like a show and a favorites that I've done, but me and my husband have been obsessed with the show 911. My mother-in-law got me hooked on it. It's so good, you guys. Like, it's kind of like a cliffhanger, like kind of like Grey's Anatomy style. It's like a medical show, obviously. But it's so good, and there's like so many, like most shows, you know, like Grey's Anatomy or anything like that, it's like kind of focused like on one case that they're doing, like one patient, that's kind of like the main focus, like 1 or 2 or whatever. But with this one, there's like, it's like multiple different things, like emergencies that they go to. There's a couple episodes where it's like kind of focused on one big thing, but a lot of it's like multiple different calls that they go on to and stuff, or go to. And it's always just like, you're kind of just like always like gasping and like, oh my goodness. Some of it is a little, there's some graphic parts for sure that I always have to like, but you can kind of like tell that something gross is about to happen, and so I just look away and I wait for Matt to tell me that it's okay to look again. But yeah, if you have not watched it, I highly recommend watching it. It's on Hulu. We're almost caught up, so now we're only gonna be able to watch it like once a week or something, but yeah, so good. Okay, my other favorite, random favorite, is like a fashion favorite. It's the sweater. It's kind of cropped, but yeah, it's cropped. It only comes to like here. So I wear it with high-waisted pants. I think I actually have a couple Instagram pictures with this on if you want to check that out. But yeah, it's from the store Frankie Phoenix, which is an Instagram like boutique. And another sweater I think I mentioned in my last favorites, that orange one, that one's also from Frankie Phoenix. But they have some really good stuff, super affordable, like all their stuff is really affordable and really good quality. This one's kind of like a thinner one, which is nice because then I can like actually wear like a jacket over it and not feel like I'm a big marshmallow. Especially for, I mean, it's getting pretty cold here, not gonna lie, but it's nice for kind of like 50 to 60 degrees weather. But then yeah, with this colder weather, you can like layer it with a jacket and stuff and you're good to go. So the last thing I wanted to mention is a song. Actually, I might do two songs. There's two songs I've been really loving. The first one is Without Me by Halsey. I'll play like a little bit of it. It's really good. It's really catchy. The other one that I wanted to mention is You Say by Lauren Daigle. She's a Christian artist that's really been getting really popular. Her whole album, Look Up Child, is really good, but this one is kind of like the popular song, I guess. So yeah, that's the other one that I've been loving. So those were my favorites. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, if you have any favorites that you've been loving this month, definitely be sure to leave them down in the comments below. But yeah, I believe that's everything. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I don't really use Twitter much. I do have a Facebook page, like my beauty page. And I'm trying to get better about being on there, but I'm still not doing great. But Instagram, I'm always on there. And I'll link my blog as well. But yeah, and I'll list everything that I mentioned in today's video also, so you can be sure to check that out if you're curious about any products that I mentioned. But other than that, I believe that is everything. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!